We are in remote Finland to fish for pike. But before we go, we had to go to do some shopping in the supermarket. And as you expect, there is a lot of fish in the Finnish supermarket, not even cheap. But then we found this reindeer meat for a staggering 106 euros per kilo. But we took a little bit just to try and look at how dark that meat is now. So we were looking forward to eat it. It was on the fire, and we tried to make it medium rare. And in a minute, you can hear our opinions about this meat. We had some chicken too. Look how beautiful it is.
That's good. Not sure if it's worth 150 euros a kilo, but it is good.
Yeah, medium raw.
Medium, yeah. What does the Finnish guy think? Is it worth 100?
I like it a little bit game in
Yeah.
it, but not sure if it's worth that price. But
It's
definitely
good, no?
very
Yeah.
good.
Yeah.
So a bit of a surprise that it was also the first reindeer for Finnish Marcus. But then here, have a look at the airport. There we can buy some meat of moose and even bear meat. I didn't buy it because the bear in our zoo is called Björn, and this is Björn Pate. So, hope you liked the video and see you in the next Zoo Wild YouTube. Till then, bye bye.